Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to learn that if I want to click the snap and then send it to a particular person, how we can do that. So as we can see here, right now we have turned on the camera. You can choose any of the filters just like so. And after your filter is finalized, what you can do is just click it once again and it will take a snap for you. After that, you just have to either save it if you want to keep it by yourself and click on save to memories and camera roll. Let's say if you want to save it not only in the memory but the camera library as well or phone library as well, you can click here and after that you can send that as well. On the right hand side we have all the editing options. So for example, if I want to retouch or enhance some colors, you can do that, and after that click on send to and select the person that you want to send it to. So for example, I want to send it to my AI bot. Click next from the bottom, and now I have sent that picture successfully. As you can see here, this is it. So if you want to learn more about it, guys, how you can use the Snapchat and all the amazing features, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.